Hi everybody, welcome to Kingston Library's virtual steampunk session. My name is Leanne. Today we're going to create magic milk. So you'll need full cream milk, dishwashing liquid, some cotton tips, some food colouring. First off, take your plates. You're going to pour enough milk so the surface is just covered. I'm going to do 3. Like so. Then you get your food dye and pop dots all over, pretty patterns. You could even try writing your name if you get creative. Let's try. Doesn't work for me. Any food dye will work. The more colours, the better. Be generous with it. There we go, getting there. Now green. In a separate little dish, you can pop your dishwashing liquid. Ready to use. And lucky last, yellow. There we go. Now, I'm going to do one at a time. You take a cotton tip, soak it in the dishwashing liquid, and bring it over to your plate, like so. And then place it in the middle. And watch all the dye disperse. It's like fireworks. So cool. Let me see what this one does. Oops. Oh wow. They look amazing. Don't you think they look amazing? They're all spreading out like a firework on New Year's Eve. And lucky last. Oh wow. You see that? Magic milk explained. Milk is made up of minerals, proteins and fats. Proteins and fats are susceptible to changes. And when the dish soap is added to the milk, those molecules run around and try to attach to the fat molecules in the milk. You wouldn't see this without the food colouring. The food colouring looks like fireworks because it's getting bumped around. The soap heads for the fats, creating the cool bursting of colour. And when there is no more movement, they're still going. All the fat molecules have been found. We hope you have fun with this science experiment in your kitchen. Bye for now.